Hi guys, இதான் என்னோட first YouTube channel. அப்போ என்னோட பேர் Srilaxman. நான் வந்து unboxing பண்ண போறேன். என்னோட first unboxing இது என்னன்னா PS4 Slim Edition. வாங்க பாப்போம். Hi guys, nice to see you again. Come, let's unbox the PS4 Slim Edition and Call of Duty Infinite War game. Okay guys, let's unbox the PS4. There is another box inside there. Okay, let's keep it this side and let's open it. Let's keep outside all things. Okay. There is a free game, Marvel Spiderman. And the manuals is there inside. The cables is there. The connecting cable, HDMI cable, and the controller charger, and here is the controller. And they have given an extra headset. Okay, let's see the new. I bought a new game extra with it, Call of Duty Infinite Warfare. With that, I have got a Modern Warfare game for free with the redeem code, and some of the instruments and stages like terminal and mixtape and Octanian blaster and Fate and Fortune Infinity Warfare with the redeem code. And here is the CD. See it. Super. Okay, here is the Spiderman game with it. See the Spiderman game. And the controllers in English, French, Spanish and Arabic. It is there. See.